Hey, it's Pastor Ken Smith here.
And Zoe Smith here.
Yeah, and we're out here tonight, and we're watching all the lightning bugs. And what's interesting is no matter how dark it gets, just that very small lightning bug, you can see it, can't you, Zoe?
Yeah. Oh, I just saw one.
Oh, you did? And see, the thing is that no matter how dark it gets in this world, that whenever we have the light of Jesus Christ in us, no matter how dark it gets, Zoe, people can see that. And that's something we should understand and be grateful for.
I saw another one.
I did too. And so it's really dark out here. We're in the backyard at our house. And the thing is that we need to know is that in this world, no matter how dark it gets, is that we as Christians know that Jesus Christ is the light of the world and He lives inside of us. And so let us be the light. No matter how dark it gets, let us be the light. This is Pastor Ken Smith, and this is
Zoe Smith.
And you have been watching
Transforming Life.
And we'll see you next time.
Yep, and remember, Jesus is inside you, and you can try to catch one, but it ain't that easy.
No, lightning bugs are not that easy to catch. And Jesus is inside of us. And we'll talk to you later next time on Transforming Lives.
Dad, I see one.